Hello, creative mind. Welcome back to the channel. And let's quickly make this. Lest I forget, Happy New Year to you all. So let's quickly make this kaftan with a stylish ashoki pockets on it. For this, I'm using a Duchess material and ashoki, as you can see. So first of all, we are going to fold our fabric into four. We are cutting the front and the back together. So I took my shoulder measurement divided by 2, and also for my neckline I'm using 3.5. But if you want yours to be very wide like the inspiration we're working with, you can use 4 inches or 4.5 inches, but I want mine to be very firm on my neck. So from there you're going to tilt your tape rule to the point of where you want your neck depth to be. I use 8 inches for my neck depth, and I'm just going to rule that out, and this is what we have. So now from our neckline, you're going to take a shoulder slope, just rule it out from there. So I have 12 inches left after my shoulder measurement placing there. So that is going to serve as my sleeve extension. And from that shoulder slope, I'm going to come down by 11, which is going to be my sleeve my round sleeve wideness. So that is what we're using. Now for the body, you're going to use body the widest part of your body. If it is your hip that is wider, that is the widest, or your bust that is the widest, you're going to use that. To make it easier, divide it by 4 and then add 3 inches to it. That is what I use for this. Your widest part of your body divided by 4 plus 3 inches. That is what we're using for this kaftan. And then you're going to extend that up to the M line. And now we're just going to root that out. After which we're going to cut that out, and then we'll trim out our shoulder slope and our neckline. Remember, the neckline for the front and the back is the same thing, but if you want yours to be different, you can put something different to it. Now I'm just going to cut out a 2 inches wide of like a rope that we're going to put on the back neckline, in between the back neckline. So now let's cut out the facing from the back for the back and the front at once. So you're going to fold your fabric into 4. And mind you, I use a total of 2.5 inches for this, and I'm a size 18. So if you're size 18 or less, you will need 2.5 inches or less. So now after folding that into 4, I'm just going to trace out the neckline on it, and then take a measurement of 3 inches. And this is a Duchess material. If you're working with a Duchess, you know how difficult that can be. You have to use your pin to hold it down in place so that it's easier. So now we're cutting out the facing for the back and the front together. And this is what we have. You're going to place your facing right side facing each other with your fabric, and then stitch by 1/2 inch all round, and then turn it to the wrong side and top stitch, and we're going to do that for the two. This is what it looks like after stitching down. I also sew down the facing round so that I can use my hand to hem it on the main fabric to give it a good finishing. I also put the rope in between the back as well. You can come down by 2 inches from your shoulder and then place it in between your hemming and the main fabric. So now we have 11 inches for the sleeve, and now I cut out 11 inches from the ashoki, and you know the ashoki is like 6.5 inches wide. So I'm just going to share that into two, and that will give us for two sleeves. So now we're going to cut this and we'll have four of it, and you're going to sew down. You see the points which is already like the M of that ashoki, that is where it's going to be our outer sleeve. And now the point where you cut it is where you're going to join to your sleeve. So now for this our pocket, our front pocket, this is what we're going to do. Place your ashoki by two just like this, and then pin that down, and then you're just going to, you see what I did here, that is exactly what you're going to do. Honestly, English is difficult. English is not my first language, so this is what it will give you. So now we're going to stitch that down and then cut it out. So now this is what we have, and you're just going to open the middle point which we joined to give us a flat pocket. Now this is what it will looks like. Actually, I retrimmed this particular one that I'm doing, that I'm showing you in the video. The second pocket is what I use because this was too wide for what I was going for. Now we're just going to trim this upper part that is giving just like this. We're just going to trim this out so that it gives us a round effect on the upper of the pocket. So now we're going to stitch that down by half of an inch before putting on our pocket. After stitching it down by half of an inch, then you bring out your fabric and you measure from your shoulder to 17 inches or 18 inches. So you figure out the middle, and from that middle point you're going to measure 6 inches. That is where the middle point of our pocket will be. You place your midpoint of the pocket on it just like that, pin it down in place, and then you stitch around. And after which, this is what we have. Please, if you're watching and you've not liked or subscribed, please do that. Just subscribe and like this video so that I can get to more people. Thank you. So now we're going to stitch down the shoulder just like this, and the second shoulder, and we're going to stitch down the side and also hem the down parts, and we are done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.